So, hi children, in that previous video we discussed about that how to find the roots by using factorization method. So, still we have the two more methods, no? So, what is that next one? Solution by completing a square. Solution by completing a square. So, let us take that quadratic equation as ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Actually, this is that given quadratic equation. Okay, general form of that quadratic equation I taken here. Okay, so from this one, first step we have to do that one as multiply both sides with 4a. Okay, multiply both sides of an equation by 4a Okay, why we have to multiply with 4a we will see later. See, okay, so what is that given equation? Ax square plus bx plus c. So LHS should be multiple with 4a, and in the same way RHS also multiple with 4a. Okay, then what you will get here? Yes, 4a into ax square is equals to 4a square x square. Okay, plus 4a into bx is equals to 4abx plus 4a into c is equals to 4ac, which is equals to 0 into 4a is equals to 0. Okay, 0 into anything is equals to 0, no? So now we got like this. Now we have to add and subtract b square. Okay, add and subtract b square on LHS. Okay, so if you take that RHS, then again you will get it as 0, no? So that's why on that LHS we have to add that b square. So 4a square x square plus 4abx plus 4ac plus b square minus b square. We have to add plus b square and subtract b square, no? So that is a plus b square minus b square, which is equals to 0. So here we got like this, no, which is equals to 0. So from this one, which are having that x terms and here square terms we have to take. So from this one I am going to write it as 4a square x square plus 4abx. After that I am going to write that plus b square. Okay, now leftover terms 4ac minus b square, which is equals to 0. Okay, so from this one 4a square x square, by completing a square they are asking, so we have to write this one as a perfect square method. Okay, so that is 4 we can write it as 2 square. Next a square we can write it as a whole square, x square also x whole square. So completely we can write this one as 2ax whole square. Okay, so plus this one we have to split it as 2 into 2ab. Okay, shall we write like that? 2ax into b. Shall we write like that? Why? Because here 2ax term this is, that one we have to multiple with 2, and here one more term is there, that is b, no? So that's why 4abx. Again we are getting the same term, just a split like that. So plus b square, which is equals to minus b square become as a plus b square, plus 4ac become as a minus 4ac. Okay, plus 4ac become as a minus 4ac. Now from this one we can write this one as b square, we can write it as b whole square. Okay, now we can observe this is in the form of a square plus 2, this term totally I taken as a, no, and this is b plus this is b square. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a perfect square of identities. Already you know that, right? Okay, in that next we will discuss about that identities, but briefer classes you may have that you may knowledge about that identity a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. At least those two you know that, right? So here this is the formula for a plus b whole square. That is the formula for a plus b whole square. So this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is the form of a plus b whole square, which is that a plus b whole square formula, that is. Okay, now here a plus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that form is there. So we have to write that RHS term. So here a is equals to 2ax, okay, plus b is equals to a square plus 2ab, okay, plus b square. So b is equals to b only. So 2ax plus b is equal, b is whole square is equals to the leftover terms we have to write. That is a b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. So up to here this is the process. Once again say that one as here. First we have to take that given equation. Next we have to multiply the equation both sides with a 4a. Okay. After that we have to add plus b square minus b, subtract minus b square. And in the same way, after you will get this type of equation, just you have to split like this. Okay. Afterwards, just here we can observe that we can find that one of that formula we can say, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is the formula for that a plus b whole square. Okay. Now this is in the same form, no? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So that is the formula for a plus b whole square. So after conversion of this one, so here what we got? 2ax plus b whole square, which is equals to b square minus 4ac. Okay. So from this one, I want to find the value of x variable here. So we have to split that one by one of that constants. So 2ax plus b is equals to, here square is there, no? So square become as a plus or minus square root. Square become as square root only, no? Already in that square roots concept we discussed. So plus or minus b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. Okay. So from this one, 2ax. Now I want to move that plus b into RHS. So that one become as minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. So afterwards, I want to know that only the value of x, no? So x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole by, here 2ax, that is in multiplication, no? So that one become as division by 2a. So x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the value of x. So this value we will call this one as a quadratic formula. What is that? Quadratic formula. Okay. So what is that quadratic formula here? X is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. We will call this one as Sridhar Acharya's rule. What is that? Sridhar Acharya's rule. Why? Because this was given by Sridhar Acharya. So we will call this one as Sridhar Acharya's. Sridhar Acharya's rule this is. Okay. So what is that Sridhar Acharya's rule means? That is x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is that quadratic formula. This is very, very important formula. Okay. So here next method is by using that quadratic formula only, no? So there we have to use this one, that formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Actually here x is equals to, I written like this, no? But I told you that x is having two values. Okay, this formula we can use for to find that square root. Sorry, we have find that root of that equation. Okay, but here I written only one of that formula, that is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. But here I told you that it has two roots. So what are those two roots? See here, we can write this one as x is equals to minus b plus or minus. So with plus we will get one root, with minus we will get another root. That is the meaning of this one. Okay, so here x is equals to minus b plus of square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, and another root is x is equals to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, actually these two are the roots of x. Is it clear to you? Okay, here also we can say that a plus or minus, with the plus we will get one root, by taking that minus we will get another root. That is the meaning of this one. Okay, plus or minus. So what is that quadratic formula we have to use to find that roots of a quadratic equation? That is x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so which was given by Sridhara Acharya. So we will call that quadratic formula as Sridhara Acharya's rule. Okay, so here we can observe that square root of b square minus 4ac. So here we can observe one of the term, that is b square minus 4ac. We will call this one as discriminant. We will call that one as discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. So here discriminant is denoted by the letter D or delta. Discriminant denoted by that symbol delta. That is the symbol for that discriminant, that is either with a D or a delta. Okay, so here what is called discriminant? Here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Here we have some conditions. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Okay, those conditions not given in that material, just oral I will tell you that if that b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, greater than 0 means the positive values you will get, no? So if those values are greater than 0, then you will get that the values are real values. The values are real values and distinct values. Real values and two different values you will get. Okay, if the discriminant is equal to 0, discriminant is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Okay, we are saying two roots, no? So two roots are equal, and in the same way two roots are real roots. What about that? If the delta is less than 0, b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Then the roots are imaginary roots. Okay, just for your extra information I am telling you that, for that extra knowledge only. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. These three conditions are there. If that b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, then the roots are real and discriminant. Sorry, real and distinct. Real and distinct values. Distinct values you will get. Distinct, which means two different values. Okay, so here b square minus 4ac value is equals to 0, then we can say that roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Okay, x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 2. Okay, 2 and 2. Two solutions are there. Those two also 2 and 2. 2 and 2 means equal roots, and those two are real roots. Just example I am saying. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Less than 0 means here roots are imaginary. Okay, why? Because square root of less than 0 means here you will get that in negative values only, no? Here you will get that some negative values. So square root of negative numbers, those are imaginary numbers. The square roots of that negative numbers are called imaginary numbers, no? That's why here you will get that imaginary roots. Okay, and here equal roots already I told. Distinct and real roots means here just previous in that factorization I taken one of the example, no? X square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. There we got two roots, 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are positive roots, which means real roots. Negative roots also we will get. Okay, so 2 and 3 we got, no? So those two are real roots as well as two different roots. 2 and 3 different roots only, no? So that's what I am saying here. If the discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distant. And if that roots are the discriminant which is equals to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Okay, and here if the discriminant is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Okay, this is for just extra information, extra knowledge only. Okay, after that, so up to now what we discussed about that how to find the roots by using a completing square method. Okay, so here we got that one of the quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, what we will call that b square minus 4a, that is what we will call that? Yes, that is a discriminant. So discriminant is denoted by delta. Okay, and we discussed it here conditions also, no? So in that next video we will discuss about that quadratic formula. By using that quadratic formula, how to get that roots of a quadratic equation. Okay.